Hi fifth grader, the purpose of this video is to share the information that you missed while you weren't able to be in science with us. This is Mystery Science, so there is a hands-on activity. If you wanted to watch the steps of the hands-on activity and ask an adult at your house permission to do the activity, you can do that, but you do not have to do the activity. And please don't do the activity unless you have the permission of an adult and you have some adult assistance. So you do need your science journal and a pencil, and this video is going to show you what to do. When you're finished with this video, then you're going to use a link in Schoology, and that will take you to Mystery Science. So when you click on the link that's in Schoology, it opens to Mystery Science, and you click the play button, and it starts by sharing a video. So your job is to watch the video, and the reason you're watching the videos is because that's where you're getting the science information. That's where the learning comes from. When the video is finished, then you click this arrow here. I want you to write this question, these two questions in your science journal and write the answer. So that's why I had you get out your notebook, is because I want you to write the questions and the answer. Once you have written the questions and answers, then you can click the arrow to move over to next. This is a video. Please watch the video. When you're finished with the video, you click over. Write this question and answer it. Then you can click the arrow. This is a video. Go ahead and watch the video so you can see what the activity was like. Once again, you don't have to do the activity at your house, and if you do, please get the permission of an adult. After you watch this video, then you can click through pretty quickly, because these are all of the steps. See how it says step of the investigation that you're not going to do. Then once you get to a video, stop, please watch the video. After you watch the video, click the arrow. You do not need to do this part. It says on the back of your worksheet, so you can skip that one. This is a video. See, there's a play button, so watch the video. Once again, this is something for you to skip because you're not doing, I want you to watch all the videos. Here's a video, please watch the video. Once you get to this spot, you are finished. So you're going to be watching the videos, and there are a few discussion questions that you are writing in your notes. Please watch the videos so that you get the science information that you weren't able to get because you were out of the classroom. Email me if you have questions.